Hey guys, Ty here, how's it going? In today's video we're going to be talking about Facebook business content ideas. So whether you have a Facebook business page, whether you have a dropshipping or e-commerce business, we're going to go through the kind of content that you can be including on your page, what information to include, etc, etc. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Roll the intro. So, for starters, your business page on Facebook. You obviously need to have the information about your business on there. So we're going to assume that you've already got your business page set up. You've got your name, your website address, what you're about, and things like that. But what kind of content can you post? What kind of content is going to be engaging and is going to lead to that link click and maybe lead to a sale? Well, we'll go over 4 or 5 different kinds of content that you can post, how to go about creating that content. The first one is quite simple. It's a product post. You're a shop, you've got products, you need to get that out there. You need to show people what your product is, what it's about. So you do a product post. Now take this one for example. It shows the product, it's attention grabbing, it's a nice picture. If I was scrolling, it's probably a scroll stopper. It's one that you'd look at and you'd think, oh, that's a good photo. Your product posts need to be scroll stoppers. They need to stop people from scrolling and for them to look at it and be like, wow, this is a nice photo. Oh, this is interesting. What is this about? And then go from there. For example, if you have a pet store, one of your product posts might be a pet bed or a pet bottle, and you can just show a picture of a cute dog using that product, because that's going to be attention grabbing. For anyone with pets out there, they love a good pet photo. So appeal to the key demographic, appeal to your target audience, and you'll be fine. It can be a video. So let's say you're, again with the pet store, you're selling maybe a pet collar or a harness. You can get a nice video of a dog, nice lovely looking dog running through a field wearing your harness or on the lead that you're selling, and then add the link to your shop. That is a good way to go about it. You also want to be posting things about your product. So maybe you've got a picture of your product and then next to it you might have key benefits or things. If you're selling skincare items or health and beauty, name the key benefits of using this item. If someone's reading the benefits and they're thinking, oh, this is a solution for blah blah blah, or oh, I have this problem, maybe this will fix it, it will lead you more likely for them to click the link, for them to take an interest. The next kind of content that you can be posting are memes. Memes are fun, they're light-hearted, and they gain attention. Everyone loves a good meme, everyone loves a funny video or a funny meme. So yeah, just post a meme related to your subject of interest. So if your store is, again with the pets, if your store is a pet store, then add a meme about cats or dogs and it will gain attention. You'll find that these posts tend to do a lot better engagement wise, so more likes and more comments than your product posts, but that's fine because you want to set that brand awareness, you want reach, and you want to be able to reach as many people as you can. So if they start tagging their friends and be like, oh, this is so your dog, or oh, doesn't this sound like blah blah blah, it's a good thing. It's brand awareness, you're expanding your market. So don't think that just because, oh, memes aren't going to lead me to a sale, I'm not going to do it. Don't think like that, because it's still good, it's still positive, it's still a good thing for you to do. It's going to have a good knock-on effect to your business. The next thing is competitions and giveaways. Now this is a controversial one. They would tend to work better on Instagram, although Instagram have started cutting down on giveaways and competitions. Facebook pages, you do get the spammy page or the copy, the duplicate is trying to imitate a business by using giveaways and competitions. So just be careful how you do this one. It might be just, oh, share the page for a chance to win, blah blah blah. So yeah, you can do that. The best way to do it is basically to offer a free product or a voucher or a discount. Tag as many people as you like for a chance to win a an item for a chance to win 50% off your next order or something like that. If you're not seeing orders, if you're a fairly new store, then it might not work as well. You need an established audience already, you need an established following, because they're going to be the ones that share the page, they're going to be the ones that are liking and comment. If you're starting off from scratch, a competition or a giveaway just isn't going to work. You're probably going to have a few people and you're still going to have to pay out, you're still going to have to reward the winner. So just leave this one for when you do have an established following. A good thing that you can do with competitions and giveaways is that you can team up with other creators, with other businesses, especially on Instagram. If, again, with the pet example, if there's a store selling pet food and you're selling pet accessories, team up to do a mighty giveaway, because if you've got similar amount of followers, then combine them together and there you go. You can get a bit of their audience and get a bit of yours, and it's a good way for growth. It's a win-win situation for everybody. So yeah, do keep that in mind if competitions and giveaways is something that you're thinking of doing. Offers is the next content idea that you can put on your Facebook business page. It's basically just use something like Canva, create a nice image and then overlay it with text, 50% off, or the offer that you're offering, and say what you want is you want exclusivity, you want a limited time only, and you want to be able to catch their attention. Something like 5% off, 10% off probably isn't going to do it. It's going to have to be something, again, like a scroll stopper. It's going to be an offer that people are after. Maybe Christmas is coming up, so the offer would be 20% off Christmas gifts, something like that if you're doing like a gift store. The next kind of content that you can be posting are reviews. Just quotation marks, a nice background, and plain text of a review about either your business, your store, your customer service, or your product. Something that people are going to look at and think, oh, that's positive, that's good. Because if anyone's having doubts about buying on your store but are still following your business page or Facebook page, then something like a good review can convert them. Because if they're iffy and they're like, oh, I don't know if this source is trustworthy, I don't know whether it's reliable, a positive review goes a long way. When I first started my first dropshipping store, my first ever sale, 2 weeks later posted a positive review. I had no other sales since, so I used that review to bring in more people, and it worked like a charm. The same goes with my Etsy store. Positive reviews upgrades your standing on where you appear up in searches. So by getting more positive reviews, you're getting more visitors, which means more sales. So yeah, don't take that for granted. If you do get a positive review, don't be afraid to post it. It's definitely worthwhile and it will definitely benefit your business. Alright, so they're the 5 content ideas. This is how you can create them. You sign up to Canva. If you've not got an account already, there is a link down below. There's a free version and a paid version. You don't really need the paid version for this. But yeah, do use the link below and download the free version. What this allows you to do is create content. Create the product posts, create the memes, quotes, giveaways, competitions, offers using Canva, because it's so easy to use. You don't need any design experience whatsoever. Grab a template, adjust it to your color scheme, add your own picture, add your own brand, your logo, things like that, and it honestly is so easy. I'll bring it up now for you, and as you can see, template here, grab the template, replace it with my own logo or my own text, add my own image, and there you go. If you're not a fan of Canva, that's absolutely fine. There are other options out there. If you're an editor, you can use editing software and do it that way. If you just want a nice picture to overlay it with text, you can go on websites such as Pixabay, Pexels, Unsplash, Burst, and get a stock image and then just overlay it with your own text of your offer or your promotion or whatever you're offering. Because if it's a nice image, it's gonna grab attention, people are gonna see it. So yeah, that would be the best way to do it. So just to summarize, product posts, memes, competitions, giveaways, offers and reviews. They're the kind of content that you should be posting on your Facebook business page. This is going to be the kind of content which are going to be scroll stoppers. People are going to see these and think, oh, I'm going to click on it, or they're going to pay attention. Not necessarily going to convert to a sale, but it gives you content. It means you're an active page. If someone's interested in a product that you're posting and they go onto your page and you've not posted for 6 months, then it looks a little bit sus. So yeah, just do create content, do post content regularly. I try when I was actively doing it, I was doing it once a day, and then I took it down to 3 times a week. With a business page, you can get away with just once a week, maybe just a weekend, or just post a weekend offer, then in the middle of the week just post a meme. Make yourself accountable, stick to the schedule, because your business will benefit from it. You'll get more reach, you'll get more audience, and hopefully you'll get more link clicks, which leads to more sales, and we all want more sales. So there it is. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please do consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I post a video every week, whether it's e-commerce, dropshipping, business, investing related, something along those lines. So if you do like that kind of area, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. Really helps me out. Got any questions, do comment below. I will answer every single one of them. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.